Hey, what an incredible 2 days. We just wrapped up an intensive and insightful prompt engineering class where teams from different organizations explored how AI can transform the way they work. From just novice ChatGPT users, they were then able to create useful AI assistants at the end of 2 days. Right now, we're just capping out with a great networking dinner, as you can see. Wonderful to be connecting with fellow data governance and AI professionals, exchanging ideas. And happy to be sharing latest insights on some very powerful AI developments. In fact, I hear some of our members are already benefiting in transforming their jobs and organizations. This is what it's all about, learning together and building a community that drives innovation. Now watch out for the upcoming National AI Prompt Competition in Philippines, and we welcome you to join in to learn to build AI assistants in one day. It's going to be the perfect arena to hone your creativity and strategy and leverage the power of AI-driven thinking. We have more exciting AI training and tools to enable Gen AI capabilities for individuals like you and your organizations. Let's ride this wave of AI-enabled workforce together.